Hey everyone, this is a bow chicka bow bow car horn. This horn comes with a button, so the button is included. Got the horn facing down, it's pretty loud and we don't want to hurt our ears here. Easy installation. Your black wire comes from your horn to go to a ground somewhere. It could be a battery, just anywhere you have a good ground source. And your red wire comes from your horn to go to a 12 volt power source. It could be a battery, a fuse, anywhere you have a good 12 volt power source. Then you just run that yellow wire from your horn to one side of the button here, and then you simply just run another 12 volt wire to the other side of the button. You're good to go. So this is our bow chicka bow bow car horn.